What's up guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have a really neat product. I really wanted to quickly show you this HiTecHouse Smartlocks, the diamond black padlock. On the left you have your USB cable for charging, the padlock, and then on the right you have your reset pin. There are two ways to use this lock. The first way is by your fingerprint, and the second way is by using Apple HomeKit app. Let's check it out. The build quality is very solid and I like the design. Let's set it up. Now it's a very easy setup. In order for the lock to recognize your fingerprint, you have to have the lock unlocked first and then use this reset pin that it comes with. Insert it in the tiny hole for 3 seconds and then use the finger that you want to use to unlock the lock and press it 3 times. Lock the lock, and then after that your fingerprint should be recognized. That's really cool. It works. I'll never have to remember a lock combination. It just recognizes my fingerprint. Now let's try it the second way with Apple HomeKit. It's a very easy setup. You go to the plus sign and then you scan the QR code on the back of the lock, and it should be on the bottom of your favorites in Apple HomeKit. All right, let's tap it and it unlocks. Very neat. This will be perfect for the gym. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that really cool, innovative product, the HiTech Smart Lock. If this is something you're interested in, I'll put an Amazon link down below for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button. Take care. I'll see you guys in our next video, and thanks for watching.